Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the HTTP API Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we begin the walkthrough for HTTP API Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the HTTP API Library, the HTTP Server API Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the HTTP.sys kernel driver. It facilitates the data link between user mode web servers like IIS and the kernel-level network listener manifest. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. HTTPapi is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan, now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the HTTP API library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace HTTP API Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for HTTP API Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching HTTP API Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.